If your layers panel is getting messy, here's how to quickly merge and unmerge layers in Photoshop. To merge layers, select the layers you want in the Layers panel, then press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. Alternatively, hold Ctrl and select the layers you want, then right-click and select Merge Layers. If you want to unmerge, Photoshop doesn't reverse a merge directly, but you can undo it. Right after merging, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo and get your separate layers back. Or go to Window and select History. Then select the previous action and restore it. That's it. Your layers are now organized. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.